జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. సుందరకాండ. I know that I am enough capable of controlling anger, and I am enough capable of protecting Sita Devi. But I did not do that. I was totally swallowed by anger and I destroyed Sita Devi. I could not protect Sita Devi. Like that, Hanuma started thinking. Hanuma started thinking like this: if at all Sita Devi got burnt out in these flames, I am sure Rama and Lakshmana also cannot be alive. If Rama Lakshmana also dies, then Sugriva entire Vanara Sainyam also will not be alive anymore. Once Bharata and Shatrughna comes to know that there is no Rama anymore, then Bharata Shatrughna also will not be alive anymore. When Rama, Lakshmana, Bharata, Shatrughna are no more, then all the people in Ayodhya will be in the ocean of grief. All this is happening because I did not control my anger. Because I did not control my anger, look at the entire harm, how much of harm it is happening to the entire world. Like that, when Hanuma started thinking, tasya nimittani upapedire, Hanuma started looking, Hanuma started experiencing good omens. Then after seeing those omens, Hanuma thinking like this: adhava charu sarvangi rakshita svena tejasa. My Sita Devi, she has great divine effulgence, her own glow, her own chastity, her own effulgence will be a protection to my Sita Devi. That is why na nasishyati kalyani, nothing happens to my Sita Devi. Na agniragno pravartate, Sita Devi is like a fire. How can a fire burns the other fire? My Sita Devi, Sri Ramachandra's wife, Swacharitra Bhiguptam, her own character itself is a great protection to her. Tam sprashtum arhati pavakaha. Agni is not capable to even touch my Sita Devi. Sitamma has so much of punya balam, the strength of good deeds, punyam. That punya balam itself protects Sita Devi, and Agni cannot touch Sita Devi because of her own punya balam. Now, because of Sitamma's punya balam, Agni did not even touch me, did not even burn me. Now how can Agni burns Sita Devi? Bharata, Lakshmana, Shatrughna, all these three brothers worship Sita Devi like a devata. And Ramasya cha manakanta, Sitamma is the one who always keeps Ramachandra Swami happy. Such Sita Devi, nothing should happen to my Sita Devi. Like that, Hanuma started thinking, and also Hanuma suddenly remembered when he was crossing the ocean, Mainaka Parvatan, the mountain Mainaka, all of a sudden comes out from the middle of ocean and gave him darshanam and gave him a good warm reception. Hanuma suddenly thought of that and surprised all about that, and then started thinking like this again: Sitamma has great amount of tapas shakti. Sitamma is always truthful, and Sitamma has great amount of devotion towards her husband Sri Ramachandra Swami. Because of all this, Sitamma herself can burn. Apisa nirdahet agnim. Sitamma herself can burn Agni, but natam agnihi pradhakshyati. Agni cannot burn my Sita Devi. Like that, Hanuma started thinking about dharma-nishtha, the great amount of righteousness that Sita Devi has. When he was thinking like that, Vakyam Charananam Mahatmanam. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.